Welcome to our channel The Child. Today I am going to show you a new activity in the sensorial area and it is called color tablets. Now first give an invite to the child by saying, shall I show you a new activity, or you can say, shall I show you color tablets today? Right, and that is the invitation. Take the child to the place where you display the material and say, this is color tablets. Ask the child to carry this, or you can show them how to carry this material. See? And tell them this is how you carry this material. Right, now watch carefully. Say to the child, do not touch the color, you can always hold the frame. You can ask the child, would you like to pick the next one? And the child may show the interest. Right? Next instruction is that we tell to the child is, let's keep it all mixed up. Now watch carefully. So you can arrange like that. So why we are doing this drama with facial expressions? Very simple, just to grab the attention of the child, because around 2.5 or 3.5 years, the attention span of children is very less. By doing all these exaggerations, they feel like listening to you, they feel like observing you. So take advantage of that, right? Now, if you would have noticed, I would have shown this tablet to the child, or there was a way I have introduced each tablet. If you would have noticed, observed, you can guess that, right? I will tell you what is the formula on that later. So these are the primary colors. You show this activity only with the primary colors, which is red, yellow, and blue. You can do the same type of tablets for the secondary colors as well, but you need not show the activity for the secondary colors. Just show the activity, because by that way they will understand how to do this activity, right? Later you need not show for secondary colors. You can arrange those secondary colors in a different box. If you Google for secondary colors, you will get to know the different colors. So we are doing with the primary colors, and which are like red, yellow and blue. Here, how to do this material? Very simple. You will get color papers in all stationery shops. Just that you take a cardboard sheet, or you must be having many invitation cards. So whatever card material you have, you can have it here, and on top of it, it can be of any size. Okay, just make sure that your child is able to hold it, right? So here I have stick this yellow paper over the cardboard sheet, and that is how I have done this material. Otherwise, you can take a normal white A4 sheet and you can color it, right? Okay, so I have told you how to do this material, and I will tell you what is the formula I have used to prepare this material for presentation. Actually, if you would have noticed, in my box, it was like this. Okay, so first I have taken one color, let it be A. Next, color B, and again B, and then red, it could be C. So why we are doing this formula, I will tell you. So next you can take either red or yellow. Here, this way you can take the red color or the yellow color. So the pattern basically is A, B, B, C. The last thing, it could be A or C. Okay, so now here I have taken C, A, B, B, C, C, A. Or it could be like this, A, and then you can introduce the color. So here the formula is A, B, B, C, A and C. So why we are preparing this material in this formula? There is again one inner significance. So here we are giving a chance for the child to observe the material, right? As soon as you keep these two blue colors together, the child may notice that you are trying to present the same colors together. Right, so that is a little chance we are giving to the child to observe and find out the pairing tablet, right? So it could be anything. Here, first you can take even A, and then even yellow, and then blue, and it could be red or blue again. So the main thing here is BB. The second and third should be the matching color tablets, right? So if you ask me why we have to introduce colors and why there is a necessity for an activity, the type of activity here is pairing. Why we need to introduce colors in a systematic way? Just think back, do a small introspection, and you think how you observe colors or how you understand colors. Colors are basically physical properties, right? Maybe in traditional school we would have learned this way by showing the colors. This is red, this is black, this is white, and we simply accepted it without a question. Here the child, we are showing the physical properties with in concrete materials. So these concrete materials will help the child to pay good attention, to focus. That is number one. And number two, at very small age, they develop the taste for systematic approach for anything. So first initially you may show this, and once you know that the child is able to pair properly the way you showed or in its own way, just the bottom line is the child should be able to pair the matching color tablets. once if your child is able to finish this pairing activity, then you can introduce secondary colors. So basically what we are trying to help the child is, these are the primary colors, the basic colors, and based on these basic colors, the other colors have formed. So that is the inner significance that we can add. So what is other things when we can show this activity? When the child, we have given another activity called cylinder blocks. Using cylinder blocks, the child understands what is pairing, what is the activity of pairing, and as soon as you show that activity, you can show this one. If the child is able to pair things, so that is the right age, I would say. There is, I will not say some chronological age for that factor. Again, I have done many facial expressions, many exaggerations. That is there. We call it as point of interest. So just to grab their attention. So on showing this activity, how you can put this idea in real time examples. When you're cutting orange, you can ask what is the color. When you are doing any activity for that sake, when you're traveling, you can ask what is the color. So these are the various other activities which you can involve. And you can also, over period of time, we are going to introduce many sound activities, right? So based on that, you can also ask what is the first sound when you hear the word red. So that is how you can develop or build the conversations, or there are so many other ways you can engage your child with activities. Basically, these sensorial activities refine the hand movements of children, and later these basic activities prepare the child for complex activities. It could be like arithmetic or language. All these simple activities prepare the child for complex things. And moreover, by doing these simple activities, we can do some early intervention. If the child is finding any difficulty in matching, so we can quickly understand if the child has any defects, any vision problem. It could be anything. So by this way, we can give some early intervention to the child, so that we can help them at a very early age. So these are the different benefits or purpose behind sensorial activities. And I hope I'll show you some other primary colors which I have here. Pink. This is blue, pink, and I have this fluorescent color. So sky is the limit, right? You can make this material at home, very simple, and the main purpose is children will develop a taste to see anything, to approach any problem in a systematic way. So I hope you like this activity, and if you have any comments, you're welcome. And if you like it, please subscribe our channel, and please share with your friends. Thank you.